Cinderella here. I'm working so hard. It's a hard job, just keep it going. It's just hard. Oh, I got the invitation. I hope it's on the ball. I wonder who it's from. I'm excited now. Let's have a look. Dear Cinderella, I'm writing to you to let you know that you can now go out as long you are alert in order to control the virus, to save lives. I hope to see you out and about. In a lot of love, Boris, the Prime Minister of... Silly man. I'm not doing that. But I'll be staying in, save lives, and save NHS. Prince! Princey! Prince! Prince! Princey! Come on, boy! Someday my prince will come. And remember, cut gin and have a drink.